In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook business page name in 2022. So go to facebook.com and go to the page that you want to change the name of. And then scroll down to edit page info. Click here and then type in the new name that you want. Once you've done that, if you click away from the new name, you'll have this pop-up window that says confirm name change request. So you can't just change the name of a business page, every 2-3 days. There is a limit. Once you're sure of the new name, all you need to do is you click here, request change. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and that's it. Within up to 3 days, Facebook will tell me if they've approved this request or not. And in this case, as you can see, I've already got a pop-up window here saying your request to change your page's name has been approved. So it only took under a minute to approve it. It was obviously automatically approved. But it can take up to 3 days to approve. That's how it's done. I hope it's helpful. So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found it helpful. If you have other questions about Facebook, I have a whole Facebook tutorials playlist that you can check out up there. If you don't find the answer to your question, please post it in a comment below this video. I'll be very happy to research it and make a video for you. If you enjoyed this video and you don't know how to create a Facebook page yet, then check out this video next. It will teach you exactly how. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.